Take one. What is up, you guys? It is JH Captured here, bringing you another glorious video in the Nordic Trek series with video number 6 today. So sorry about the lack of videos and the lack of content that has not come out in the last 2 months, but that is all good because we got it figured out. We have graduated. We have a new job, a fresh job, a new apartment, a new setup. We're in a new state. It is all taken care of, and now my beautiful YouTube viewers can enjoy the Nordic Trek series finally again. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video and get the show back on the freaking road. Booyah!
We are at the Grundtvig church, named for Danish philosopher, theologian. This building was built between 1920 and 1940, over a 20-year period, by the architect Peter Jensen Klink. That's Peter with a P. And he died about halfway through construction, had his son finished up the design and construction of this. This building is made out of 6 million bricks. I really like this building because I feel it's kind of like a mix of Gothic proportions, Gothic-like motifs in it, but to me it is a modern building.
This is so cool.
I think it's a pretty interesting housing idea, by the way. So my understanding is that this is meant to be market rate or affordable housing. And it's really interesting how do you understand how it's made? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what do you got here?
Step in. The diagram, so it was like a line, and then you put the little things in and out. And like the curve.
Yeah. And why would we do a curve here? To symbolize entrance. Like this is the way into the interior courtyard. It's kind of like calling that. The other way, the tectonic way this is built, these are prefab modules. In other words, like each box was made in a factory. Now they probably didn't have the exterior finish on at the time, the boards, but the actual volume was made in a factory and then shipped here and they're stacked up like Lego bricks. It gives a really nice space because you have maybe like shorter, do you see how they're shorter volumes? And maybe that's where like the bedroom is. And then you have a slightly taller volume next to it because of the way the stacking works. So it's probably like a couple of feet higher in the living, kitchen, dining area. And that's kind of, I think, a pretty nice attribute to have some spatial variety in the building.
So there's like steps?
There's steps, just like 2 steps, yeah.
Rock climbing, Carl?
Oh, the whole thing?
Wow. So it looks like if anybody wants to go to the top, you have to walk it.
That's fine.
I like walking. Fine with me.
Hey, so...
That looks like fun. Taking a break at the 50-meter mark. Me and Bob. And we still got not much left. And there goes Jesse. How you feeling?
I ran the first, however much.
Made it
Reverse
to the
letter
top.
C.
85 meters. Absolutely catastrophic.
That's so far away. That big round thing over there? Oh, yeah. You said we're going over there. I don't know if that's it. We gotta walk there. Yeah, that was a really rough spot there. Whatever that. Why doesn't she need
You already got a fucking camera.
Alright, so we made it to the top of the hill. There's a cafe up there. Some good views. So it's also, Copenhill is also I think it's a recycling plant. And they have a dry ski hill as well. So there's a picture of ski hill without snow. That's what it is. We made it up the steps. Usually there's an elevator, but it's broken, so we took the steps. So he dismissed us for the day.
Yeah. I'm the 2 big quick groups.
Oh, Jesus. Well, they're sitting at a metal table, so you should be good. Yeah, you got this. Our professor divided us up into groups for crits since we're architecture students. And every weekday, a certain group meets. And today, since we're ending our day on Copenhill, we decided to meet at the top for the cafe. He hiked down this treacherous stairs, realizing he's in the Tuesday crit group. Now he's hiking back up, so I feel bad for him. Love to see someone half hike that. This is like, it's awesome. I don't know about you, but I love graffiti. I think it's the coolest shit in the world. I like to see different like forms and styles and colors. Like I love how they use the actual concrete as like a color by using the negative space.
I've been living here too long. It's time to move on to keep me strong. Let it uncover my skin. Every part of me is fighting to win. Sin City waiting for me. Around the corner, I'm aching to be. Double trouble, my new middle name. Next time you see me, I won't be the same. It's time for me to come alive. It's time for me to stand and strive.
What? Why not?
No feeling sorry for myself. No beating down on someone else. No reason to be satisfied. No way in hell I'm gonna die. Leave me alone and I'll be fine. See me, I won't be the same.
It was the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Not doing that again. It was a lot of fun.